everyone. So now we are in the lab trying to create an AI dreamed up perfume, and we found some of the essential oils, and for some of them we are infusing them with oil and alcohol and see how it goes. And here we have the samples of the essential oils that we need, and these are the actual bottles. And here we are infusing the ones that we need. For example, oak tree, oak moss. Here we have apricot. Here we have peach, and caramel, pink pepper. This is peach as well, but with alcohol and the other stuff. And we are heating them a little bit to get the flavor out. We are going to try Iconit. So this recipe calls for cardamom, magnolia, lemon and citrus in the top tones, and geranium, apricot, cardamom, rose and jasmine in the heart, and sandalwood, leather, vanilla, caramel, amber and oak moss in base tones. And Sharon is going to try this recipe. Caramel.
We actually basically fried caramel.
Yeah, but it smells like caramel.
Yes, and the oil
and it is
the
caramel.
didn't separate.
Yeah. And we infused oak moss with a piece of wood with a moss on it that we collected from one of the trees that looked like an oak tree, but we are not sure. But it is some tree moss basically.
Next one.
Rose. So actually right now we are just like following the recipe that AI created, and jasmine. But ideally it should be like a human AI collaboration where based on your insight, perspective and experience you might say, oh, maybe I will put like rose flavors more into the mix. So you can decide it. And
Gonna give it a little shake.
we trained an AI on 30,000 different perfume recipes, and AI is now learned how to generate new recipes for perfumes, and this is one of the recipes, and we tried it in the lab just now, and this is the first sample.
It's very strong. Oh wow. It smells
That's
like perfume though, right? Like not
Yeah,
like
it does. It smells really good, yeah. Actually, it smells like it could be in like soaps and shampoos.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
So now we are going to try Light of Emporia recipe. It's also a name that AI made up. I actually checked for it and there is no perfume called Light of Emporia. And what does the recipe call for?
The top notes call for pink pepper,
Maybe I will
followed
try
by rose,
I actually added 2 kinds of lavender compared to the other one.
Yeah.
And rose.
rose,
I let 2 times rose as well.
Pinar is doubling the recipe.
So for some of them, I think like lavender
Jasmine.
and rose and jasmine. Okay, maybe I will double the flower tones
And then leather.
and leather. So leather, we infused with a piece of leather from my bag. Okay.
And that's all.
That's all. So we hear Light of Emporia as the AI. And let's try with a piece of paper first. See how it smells. Okay, let's see. Thanks, it smells good. George, would you like to give it a try?
Who's someone who didn't make this? Actually smells pretty good. Actually smells nice. Huh.
So would you date with someone who is wearing this perfume?
Yeah. It smells like a really...
Feminine?
Yeah, it smells feminine. Also smells like a really nice car. Like the inside of a car.
Let's go and check with other people.
Can I smell?
Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot to.
Smells like a really nice car.
Yeah, it smells good.
Yeah,
I would date the girl and buy the car. Like that. It's pretty random, but you want to smell perfume?
yeah, it is an AI generated perfume.
We made perfume in lab.
Yeah. Would you like to smell? We are trying to see how people
If you would buy it or not.
like it. So you
Yeah.
can smell, it's not toxic.
Yeah, it smells pretty strong. I mean, like, yeah.
Would you buy this for your girlfriend or wife? Or?
Yeah, sure, maybe.
Or a mom.
I can.
Does it remind you of any smell?
It does. It remind me of some smell, but I cannot really recall like what it is.
Okay.
If I was to say car,
Does it smell? Why you are imposing people that it smells like car? Does it smell like a car or
No, no.
feminine? No.
This smells like so I'm from India. So back in India, we have this festival like where we throw colors,
Oh, okay. Yeah,
right?
I know.
And some of the colors are made from like some herbal something. So this reminds me of that time. Like,
Okay.
Uh-oh.
I don't know if it's like
What
purely random, like it's,
Yeah,
it's
it has
Holy.
rose,
Holy, right? Yeah.
rose, jasmine, and lavender. Maybe
Okay.
in that festival they were using some of these
maybe
flowers or something. This is another recipe called Light of Emporia, and you can smell
Oh, it's a bit more.
feminine.
Oh, I was gonna say sharper.
Sharp.
Yeah, it's more. It's very floral. Is it
Yeah,
floral?
it is floral.
I don't know. I think my nose is saturated. No, it's. I like it. It's very
You like-
floral. Yeah.
Yeah. Would you buy this for yourself?
Probably. Yeah. This one probably. This one just
But
smells like a fancy.
this is the other one.
Yeah, I think that was like shampoo stuff maybe.
So this is Iconic, and this is Light of Emporia.
Oh, nice.
Names also made up by AI.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So it is going like we don't know if somewhere like Emporia exists. I'm pretty sure it doesn't exist.
Yeah. That's so funny. The names also
Yeah.
sounds exactly like the name of a perfume company. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Pretentiousness. It's nice. I like this one. Yeah, it's pretty good.